In the past 14 days, 4,915 homes went under contract at a median 7 days, so buyer demand is still very high. If you are a buyer, this means that you must act quickly when you identify a home that you want to purchase, and you have to have an executable strategy in place in order to do so. It's Friday, June 25th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland's real estate market. Over these past 2 weeks, 2,988 homes went under contract in 7 median days, priced up to $400,000. 1,751 homes priced between $400,000 and $1 million went under contract in 7 median days, and 176 homes priced over $1 million went under contract in 9 median days. So here's a look at what's happened since my last week's report. 2,118 homes came on the market as newly active and available to show. 1,500 are coming soon. 853 homes went under contract. 1,571 homes are currently temp off. 1,582 moved to pending, and 2,071 homes settled since last week's report. And the highest priced home to sell was in Graysonville, this 6.4 acre waterfront estate in the Prospect Bay Peninsula, for $3,767,500. 277 units came on the market for rent since last week's report. And as the moratorium ends on COVID-related eviction delays, this number may begin to climb. Presently, there are only 1,114 active for rent at an average price of $1,900 per month. If you are thinking about buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition of our home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks again. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.